Hey YouTubers, you are watching PoinTECH. In this tutorial, I am going to show you that how to find saved username and password in Google Chrome. So let's get started. Click on this icon and hit settings. Here, click on passwords. In this section, you will get all your saved passwords for that particular website with username and password. Also, you will get website. Here, you will see website, username and password. If you want to see password of that particular website, click on I icon. If your PC having login password, then enter login password to see passwords. That's it. Voila. Here is your password.